What is a niche or niche market strategy? Well, this is a form of competitive strategy. If you look at the layers of strategy, organizations have overarching organizational strategies that focus on how the company is perceived or how it interacts in the competitive marketplace, generally focus on the perspective there to third-party stakeholders and internal stakeholders. But in order to effectuate whatever the organizational strategy is, companies adopt a competitive strategy. That is how you're going to compete with others who are offering similar value propositions out there in the marketplace. So a niche market strategy is a form of focused market strategy that seeks to address or meet the specialized needs or wants of a select or target, oftentimes neglected market segment. And what I mean by that is you specialize your product so that it's a value proposition to a niche group out there in the market who wants that special characteristic, but others don't necessarily value it. And the company is able to grab a percentage of the market share, this niche market, by addressing their needs, while other larger, bigger companies or other companies in general simply aren't addressing their needs or wants. So companies are routinely looking for niche markets that they can serve and establish a stronghold or a dominance in that small micro market. Now, the concept of a focused market strategy or a niche market strategy was introduced by Michael Porter in his theory of generic strategies. He basically said that a niche market is going to be a small subset of individuals who want a specific or unique value proposition. But within that niche market, you're still going to have to establish some level of cost-based approach or differentiation approach for your product or service. A cost-based approach is to make certain that you're establishing a low cost base, that it costs you less than competitors in delivering that value proposition. Or differentiation, there's something unique about your product that you're providing to that niche market. So even when you focus on a market like that, you're still going to look for some level of cost savings or differentiation that can set you apart from others who are providing a similar or substitute value proposition in that market. So in summary, a niche market strategy is a competitive strategy that seeks to meet the needs or wants of a niche or select customer segment that has a unique requirement for a value proposition that otherwise is not being met by the larger market or is not being served by the products that exist out there in the larger market. So this is a niche market strategy.